Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2019 Subaru Ascent Limited. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.4-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler, roof rails with cross rails as well, silver and black trim along this vehicle with blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirror, and moving to the front, we do get a place to put your license plate, obviously, and that nice Subaru grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a power liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which is pretty handy. It is a memory set, so you can set it to a different ride height, all that jazz. You do get quite a bit of storage in the back here with a cargo area protector. You get it on the back seats as well. Hooks and doodads. You got 12 volt, all that fun. Nice little sound system as well. And you do get the storage below. We do get a nice little tonneau cover that you can hook up to right here, which is pretty nice. To collapse, all you have to do is just pull this forward and your seat will go forward. And you do get quite a bit of storage in the back as well for the back 3 passengers. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 8 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, adjustable rear seats. To get to the back, you just lift that up and push your seat forward, and you got your 3 additional seats with the same leathering. You get floor mats as well. Plenty of more door space up front with leathering on the door. We get our climate controls back here as well. Heated middle seats, which is pretty nice. Outlets. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. Memory seating for up to 2 drivers. Liftgate, there's that memory liftgate, traction, blind spot, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 115,195 kilometers. Got this nice leather-up steering wheel with paddle shifters. We do get our cruise control, heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, playback, play forward, volume, source, voice, phone, and you can go through a digital speedometer, average fuel economy, which is pretty handy. And moving to my right here, you got your gear select, park make, cup holders. With outlets, you do get your X modes, which is pretty handy. So your hill descent, little outlets there. And you do get more storage below, which is always pretty handy. Dual climate up front, heated front seats, storage there. And you do get a little storage cubby here as well. Storage below, you got a nice screen up here as well, or right there. We can go for different settings here. Pretty nice. Clock, AM, FM, navigation, fuel economy, and above me we do get our features for our collision, lane centering, and our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And on our main screen here you got your map, CD, AM, FM. You can go for different widgets. We're going to click into our radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, map, because you do get the navigation capabilities, which is always pretty handy, STARLINK, apps in general, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA35348B, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.